What a mess of a video. Oh my goodness. What a mess. But just get straight into the video and see for yourself. Say she wanna dance. But we do do huddle. And it feels like so I got scammed. So let's unbox this wig. They gave it to me with a few accessories. They gave me this band. Yeah, wig cap. I think there's two inside. The only problem that I have with this is that it's too XXXXXXL, so I don't know how it's gonna fit in my head. Obviously it's the wig. I don't like the packaging, but of course it's Dragon City, so what do you expect? And then we have this wax stick. I don't know, I've never used any of these things. We're gonna try them out together. And the ghost bond and the ghost bond remover. So hopefully these won't damage my skin, because I've heard a lot of people complaining about ghost bond, how it damages their hairline and everything like that. And this girl actually got burns. So I'll try to be careful. I'll do a test and then see how it reacts, and if it's good then I'll continue. This is a 28-inch 13 by 4 lace wig. This is not giving 28, guys. This is not giving 28 at all. Oh, it smells like puke. I don't know. It's not give. Look at how thin this is. Please look at how thin this is. Look at how thin this is. It's not give. Okay, it is. I think it's giving like 20. It is giving 28 a bit, like 26. 26. It's so thin. Let me tell you what broke my heart. The most. Look at this. This thing is balding. It is balding. I don't know how I'm going to wear this. And they said that they don't give refunds, even if I'm taking the wig back. She said it's because it's 180 density. This is not 180 density, my girl. It's not. And I bought it online. Apparently when you go to Dragon City, you get a better treatment, or okay, you can shed in a few days, but it's better to go there than to buy it online, because you will get scammed. So yeah. It feels like air on my head. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I thought I was gonna bleach it, but I don't know how I'm gonna do this. And I've never installed a wig in front of you guys before, and I'm not good at it. Please be kind. Can you see how bold it is? So my thought process is I'm gonna learn how to do my installs with this wig. It wasn't that expensive. It was, how much was it? I don't remember how much it was. It wasn't that expensive, a couple of thousands. It was actually expensive because that's a lot of money. Not that I think of it, it was my money. But I might as well just use it as practice, because they said I need to add 500 Rand more to get 250 density or something like that. And then that one would be fuller. This hair does not look like the one in the picture, you know. And you know, you never get the same stuff that you get from the picture, but still, it didn't look like the one from the picture. They said I need to take it back to them. So if I courier it to Joburg and they courier it back, that's already 250 plus 500 Rand. That's, honestly, let me just save up and buy a new wig. So I'm stuck with this, and I will never do that to myself again. Okay, so we're at this side now. What I'm going to start with is gel, just to get this back a bit. My hair, I'm not doing a bald cap method because I don't know how to. Micellar water just to remove oils on my forehead or any residue gel that might interfere with the adhesive I'm going to use. So this is what I do, and I will let it air dry. Sometimes I will use a hair dryer, but I'm just gonna let it air dry because I do have time until it gets sticky. So I'll do 2 or 3 layers of this because I'm only gonna take this out on Monday. I think I'm only gonna do, in that case, I'm gonna do 3 layers. So
what's your name again? Denasia. We got Denasia. She killing it. And we're here doing a perspective style. You gotta know I always come to my girl for the break release video announcement. So with this device, you can only do booster mode with product. You can't do the shot mode with product because it won't work apparently. I always make sure.
we are happy. We are happy. Can you see that the glue is kind of like clear now? Yeah, so oh. Just usually see them cutting here.
Years later.
I didn't like it, so we're gonna start all over again. Yeah, I thought I'd just act like I did it and finish, but that wouldn't be true. So I'm gonna start all over again. Let's see how it goes this time. This time I'm gonna use Glamour Spray because I've used this countless times before. cut it all funny. Hey, band. It's getting dark. I don't know if you can still see me, so I'll try to hurry as fast as I can. Oh, okay. Actually, not as bad as I expected it to be. What I won't be doing though is taking TikTok advice, because the girl I got this review from bought it at Dragon City, the actual place, and I got it online. So big fail. I'm never gonna do that again. And another thing I don't like about the wig is that it has this natural wig, and I don't like that. Yeah, this wasn't a pretty video, but in the essence of being consistent and being authentic, you are seeing it, because I spent the whole day shooting this. I spent the whole day trying to fix this week. But yeah, I love this series so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hopefully the next videos will be better, and they will be better. And yeah, go watch the previous video and all the videos, please.